In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or close your Shopify account or store. Whether you want to just close the store or erase personal data entirely, I'll walk you through your options and the steps you need to take. So, let's dive in. When we talk about deleting a Shopify account, there are generally a few different options depending on your end goal. First, there's deactivating or closing your store. This option stops any further billing and removes the storefront from the public view. However, it's important to note that Shopify will retain your data, giving you the flexibility to reopen your store within a specific time frame should you choose to do so. Then there's the option for a more comprehensive data erase, often referred to as a GDPR-style erasure. This involves requesting that Shopify remove your personal data from their systems once your store is closed. Lastly, if you're looking to go even further and wish to remove your entire Shopify login or account, this includes removing your user profile or any association with a partner account. There are different steps. It's important to remember that Shopify doesn't always provide a simple one-click delete everything option that's easily visible. Some actions may require reaching out to Shopify support directly. Now, let's focus on the steps to close or delete your Shopify store specifically. If your goal is to close your Shopify store, which involves stopping your subscription and removing the storefront, you'll start by logging into Shopify as the store owner. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section. This can be found on the lower left-hand side of your admin dashboard. From there, you'll want to click on Plan. In some accounts, this might be labeled as Plan and Permissions. You'll need to scroll down until you see an option that says Deactivate Store, Close Store, or Cancel Plan. The specific wording may vary slightly, but the intent is the same. After clicking that option, you'll be prompted to select a reason for closing your store. This is a standard step, so go ahead and choose the reason that best fits your situation. To finalize the process, confirm your decision. You may also be asked to enter your password again for security purposes, so have it handy. Once you've done that, your store is officially deactivated. You'll no longer incur any charges moving forward, and your access to the Shopify admin or dashboard will be removed. And there you have it. You've successfully closed your Shopify account, putting a pause on all future transactions, but retaining the possibility to restore your store if you decide to return. If you're interested in completely erasing any associated data, remember, you may need to get in touch with Shopify support to proceed further. Make sure to assess your needs carefully when considering which option to take, and don't hesitate to reach out for support if you need any further assistance.